Hey everybody! So in today's quick tip, we're going to talk about controlling your 3D toolpath using a boundary. This is a very common way in order to limit where your toolpath is cutting in X and Y. So let's go ahead and take a look. As you can see in this example, we have a 3D planar toolpath set up. The toolpath is moving back and forth across the model, but it's machining some areas that are undesirable. It's going down into these cutaways on the side. It's machining on this top face, and really we just want to limit it inside of the cavity. So if you look over here, I have a boundary that I've already created. This is just a closed shape wireframe boundary, and what I can do is select that, recompute our toolpath, and then the tool center will go to that boundary. So let's take a look at that. We're going to come over to our feature. We're going to right click on our boundary. We're going to choose reselect. We'll come in and hold shift on our keyboard, left click on our profile, and then choose OK. All right, so that's locked the boundary in. The last step we need to do is to recompute our toolpath. So we'll right click on our operation and hit compute toolpath. And there you go. You can see how the center of the tool is now going to our boundary, containing the toolpath where we want it to machine versus having it machine in other areas. I recommend you give this feature a try on your next project.